Step-by-step tutorial, viewing incidents in Microsoft 365 Defender. Introduction. Microsoft 365 Defender allows administrators to manage and investigate incidents across multiple Microsoft services. This centralized portal collects security alerts from different services, helping you detect, investigate, and respond to potential threats. Follow this quick tutorial to learn how to view and manage incidents in the Microsoft 365 Defender portal. Step-by-step guide. 1. Access Microsoft 365 Defender portal. Go to the Microsoft 365 Defender portal by navigating to the URL, security.microsoft.com. Sign in with your Microsoft 365 credentials. Explanation. The Microsoft 365 Defender portal is where you can monitor, investigate, and respond to security incidents across your Microsoft 365 tenant. 2. Navigate to incidents. In the left-hand menu, select Incidents and Alerts. Click on Incidents to view a list of all current security incidents. Explanation. This page shows incidents that combine related security alerts from multiple Microsoft services such as Microsoft Defender for Identity, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, and Microsoft Defender for Office 365. 3. View incident details. Click on any incident from the list to open its detailed view. The Incident Details page provides information on the involved users, devices, and a timeline of related alerts. Explanation. Viewing the incident details helps you understand the scope of the incident and identify any associated security alerts that may need further investigation. 4. Investigate alerts. On the Incident Details page, scroll to the Alerts section to see which alerts triggered the incident. Click on an individual alert to get more detailed information such as alert severity, detection source, and remediation steps. Explanation. Investigating the alerts gives you insight into what caused the incident and how to address it, whether it's a phishing attempt, suspicious login, or malware detection. 5. Take action. Depending on the severity of the incident, you can take remediation actions directly from the incident page, such as isolating devices, resetting user passwords, or marking the incident as resolved. Use the Automated Investigation and Response (AIR) feature to automatically investigate and resolve incidents. Explanation. Microsoft 365 Defender allows for quick remediation actions to reduce the impact of threats and protect your organization in real time. 6. Review incident history. To review past incidents, you can use the filters at the top of the incidents page to filter by time, severity, or status, active, resolved, etc. Explanation. Keeping track of historical incidents helps you analyze trends and improve your organization's security posture over time. By following this guide, you can efficiently view, investigate, and manage security incidents using the Microsoft 365 Defender portal. This helps enhance your security response and protect your Microsoft 365 environment from threats.